Hello, boys and girls. Today is Friday, April 17, and we are doing summarizing today. That's the same thing you had to do last Friday, but this time you have two articles to summarize. One is Blizzard Alert, and you guys had this. So I went through and underlined my details, and the other one was predicting hurricanes. And also, I went through and underlined my details. And through the week, your lessons have been helping you gather your main idea. So this should be kind of easy. What I'm trying to tell you, boys and girls, is I would use my lessons from the previous days, Monday and Wednesday, and use the details to help me write my main idea here. I want to go back to this one. Remember that when you write a main idea, you want to introduce it. You want to write the title, the author, if they give you an author, and state what the article is mostly about. Then you're going to give me important facts and details about what you learned in each article. Okay? And I know there was a lot of them. So I want you to pick the most important ones. Pick 3 or 4 most important ones. Then you have your closing or your conclusion. And you can do that for each one. And remember, I had this one as a example for you guys if you remember from last week. What I do want you to remember that I want you to name the name of the articles, okay? Um, I actually found this one too. And this one I like because it gives you both fiction and nonfiction. When we summarize for nonfiction, you gotta tell me what the topic is, who or what it's about. And in this case, it's what it's about, when or where it happened. So we have some hints to where about predicting hurricanes and blizzard alerts. Where they happen, when they happen. What was the main idea of these? They were storms. What type of storms? What do? They cause damage, right? What do scientists do? All those things were kind of part of the main idea, and those are the details that support it. Now, how did it end? Well, in these, both of the articles ended differently, but they do have a general ending about what people and scientists can do. So, talk about that. And when we do that, we are trying to identify the structure of our article. And in this case, was it a cause and effect? Hmm. Was it a problem and solution or a compare and contrast? We did write a compare and contrast this week also with the 2 paragraphs for the writing portion, but in this case, we have more like a description, descriptive or informative articles. They are telling us and informing us what kind of storms they are. Okay, boys and girls. So if we go back to your assignment, I would start here and I would start my topic sentence. And always remember, you always want to indent. And I want to start with the, oops, I'm not going to do it right here because it actually has. But I want to start with telling you about the articles Blizzard Alert and Predicting Hurricanes are informational or descriptive. They tell us more about weather or climate or storms, whatever it is that you want to tell me, boys and girls. I don't see authors in this one, so I don't have to state the authors, okay? And you can go on to tell me your details and what have you. This is all for today's lesson on writing.